Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today we're looking at the best keyboard cleaner kit that makes keeping your electronics spotless, quick and easy. If you want your desk, keyboard, and gadgets clean without hassle, this kit is perfect. Let's get started.
First, let's talk about the Barfumery Keyboard Cleaner Kit and what it's designed for. This all-in-one cleaning solution is made to keep your keyboards, screens, headphones, and other electronics free from dust, grime, and smudges. The Barfumery Kit combines multiple tools in one compact package, making it convenient for both home and office use. One of the standout features is the soft bristle keyboard brush. It's designed to sweep away dust, crumbs, and debris from between the keys without scratching the surface. The retractable brush has a protective cover, keeping it clean and hygienic when not in use. This makes regular maintenance simple and mess-free. For screens and smooth surfaces, the included microfiber screen wiper removes fingerprints and smudges effortlessly. You can pair it with the spray bottle in the kit for a deeper clean, ensuring your monitors, laptops, and smartphones look clear and fresh every time. The kit also includes a headphone cleaning tool, which targets hard-to-reach gaps in earbuds, AirPods, and their charging cases. This helps remove earwax and buildup that's often difficult to access, keeping your audio devices hygienic and performing at their best. Another useful tool is the key puller. This allows you to safely remove keys from mechanical keyboards to clean underneath, reaching areas that brushes alone can't. This ensures your keyboard stays spotless and operates smoothly over time. The Barfumery Keyboard Cleaner Kit is designed for versatility. It works with laptops, PCs, Apple Watches, Macs, mechanical keyboards, speakers, camera lenses, monitors, smartphones, TVs, and touchscreens. This means you can use the kit across almost all your electronics without needing separate cleaners. In terms of design, the kit is compact and portable. Each tool is thoughtfully made to be lightweight and easy to handle. The protective covers and organized design keep everything neat, making it convenient to store or carry with you if needed. In everyday life, this kit saves you time and effort. Instead of fiddling with makeshift tools or worrying about damaging your electronics, you have everything you need to maintain a clean and hygienic workspace. It's ideal for desks that see heavy use or for anyone who wants to keep their gadgets in top condition. The Barfumery Keyboard Cleaner Kit is best for anyone who values clean and well-maintained devices. Students, professionals, gamers, or anyone with multiple electronics will benefit from having this all-in-one solution handy. If you want to keep your gadgets clean and working perfectly, this kit is worth checking out. Check the price link in the description and see how it can simplify your cleaning routine. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more practical tools and tips. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!